Advice, when you go to a Jamaican restaurant, know what you want before you're going in. And when you order it, stick to it because they get very upset if you try to change your order. Okay? I go to this restaurant. It's on Rockaway and Fulton Street. Great food. And I just fiend for it. You know, you ever had that type of food that you just gotta have it? And I know I'm gonna have problems when I go in there, so I gotta build myself up before I go in. You know, I'm outside the store just Namyo Horenge Kyo, Namyo Horenge Kyo. I'm like, I gotta talk myself up. Stay focused, stay focused. You want an oxtail with rice and peas, stay focused. I go in there and this lady is the rudest woman on the planet. She's sitting watching soap operas. I'm ringing the bell. I don't even ring the bell hard. I'm nice. The bell is sitting there. I'm like, ting. Nam yo ho. She don't even acknowledge me. Soon as the commercial come out, what you want? I'm like, relax, focus, focus, focus. All right, listen, I need an oxtail with rice and peas. Go. She start making my food. You want plantain? You know what? If you think I need plantains, go ahead and put that in there. I don't want no trouble. I don't want any problems. And then halfway through, something was biting at me. I was like, nah, you know what? I don't want the oxtail. Let me get a curry. No, no, no! No, you're gonna get the curry chicken and an oxtail, and I'm gonna pay for both of them. I'm like, how you gonna thug a plate of food out of me? So I got my curry chicken and oxtail, because you got to do what the angry ladies say. Now, man, you know, we can have a Jamaican president. Nah, that might not work. It's not that I don't think Jamaicans are capable. I think you're very smart, very hard-working people. I just think you're very angry. And if we had a Jamaican president, we would have a new war every week. Every week, he'd be standing in front of the White House, just mad. Just what Russia said? Russia said something? Say it again, Russia. Say it one more time. No, say it one more time. I'll match up your country. Say it again. Say it again. You don't see the button. You don't see the button. You don't. You don't want me to push that button.
We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have dreads. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all are the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing. They the blue, 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 blue. Just simple shit. What you mean, what I want to drink? You want me shut up this whole bomba clad clock, post the wall? You know me? I love them. I love them, but they angry. I don't understand them, man. And you from Jamaica. How the fuck are you so mad? I've been to Jamaica. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's great weather. You go to the beach. The water's blue. You know what I'm saying? You ever go to the beach in New York? We should be mad. You go to the beach in New York? Nigga, you would come out with a drug addiction. Nigga go swimming and come out like, oh, shit. Oh, shit, nigga. What happened here? I was swimming, nigga. Damn, I can't swim no more.
And I really hope I live to see a Spanish president because that's going to be the best inauguration ever. You hear me? Because if you know anything about Spanish people, they party hard. They don't play. If they got a president coming, they're going to start partying like a week before. You hear me? Everywhere you go. What are you dancing for? 3 more days? 3 more days for what? El presidente! You're gonna hop it! And on Inauguration Day, it's gonna be like 50 million Latinos in front of the Capitol. Right? Ain't gonna be no room for nobody else. Nothing but Spanish people. White people gonna be on the side like, this is ridiculous. What happened? We used to run this country. Be none but Latinos in front of the Capitol just chanting, Julio, Julio, Julio. Because that might be his name. We don't know yet. You know what I'm saying? And he gonna step up there all proud. Right? Probably have a red suit on. With like some white shoes. You know what I'm saying? He gonna pimp it out. It's a big day. You know what I'm saying? He gonna be a gracias, gracias. We did it! And listen, everybody, take it easy, okay? Because I'm not gonna be too long today. Because today is a good day. Okay? We're gonna have a lot of fun. Pero mañana. You know that's what Latinos do and they mean what they're about to say. Mañana. Tomorrow. We have a lot of work to do, Papa. There's going to be a lot of papas in that speech. Because we need some more change in America. Okay, Barack, he do some change, but that wasn't enough. No. We need some more. Change number one. And this is the only time you're going to hear this at a presidential inauguration in the United States of America. Change number one. Ay, Dios mío, ¿cómo se dice en inglés? En inglés. Ay, Dios mío, how you say? Ay, Dios. Yeah, you know what? No more English. Everybody pick a party. That's it. Why you think they didn't hijack like Air Africa? I don't know if that's an airline, but it's for this joke. Because that's not going to be an easy hijacking. Can you imagine that? Them Africans have been in America for years and have sold mad DVDs. Right? They're going back to their village to build a hospital. Because that's what they always say. I'm going to build a hospital in my village. Here comes some terrorists on Air Africa talking about, hello? We are taking over the plane. Some Africans be like, oh no. Umbudu. No, he's crazy. Don't worry. I will deal with it. Okay? Enjoy your peanuts. No, enjoy your peanuts. I will deal with this. And Africans are really nice, even when they're mad. They talk to you nice. Excuse me, mister, yes, I am sorry. I do not mean to interrupt you. No. I realize that you are very, very busy. Okay, but my friend and I are confused. Okay, did I or did I not hear you say that you was taking over this plane? Is that what I heard? No. Oh, yes. Oh, okay, yes. No, he's crazy. Don't worry. I will deal with it. Enjoy your peanuts. No, enjoy your peanuts. I will deal with it. I'm sorry, mister. One more question before you go. No, I know you are busy, but one more question, please. Let me ask you this. Okay, how can you hijack this plane if you are sleeping? Oh, you don't know what I'm talking about. No, he does not know what I'm talking about. No.